Okay, and we really need to go now inside this car because there are these cables. Okay, and now this is like roof and there is our antenna, and then we have to go in this cabin area and we have to take this some doors or trunk doors, this sealant, and this is like gasket in here, and when we move this gasket a little bit down, there is this roof mattress, this insulation and roof, this cover, and we have to pull that down in this way, and when we do that we can see the cables. Okay, and then when we look at our antenna's position we can see this cable, and when we little bit look that far away there is connector, and this is we can find that in quite near, and let's go to look at how we open this connector cables next. Okay, and this connector cables open so that we only pull down this black area and then we take these cables away. Very easy way to out, and then when we connect we only press that in this way, and this is so easy. This is like in Toyota's engineering, but most other cars they have similar thing that only pull down and then take connectors out. And then we have final part to open this antenna's nut. There is this antenna's position, and when we go in this down area and when we look in here we can see that in here there is this bolt position in that area, and we have to open that bolt, and let's look this area closer. Okay, and there is this really our cable, and it goes directly in here, and there is this nut what we need to next open, and it is quite big nut, but I take my socket and my wrench and I open this bolt in here. It looks like 19 to 20 millimeters size. Okay, and this size is 22 millimeter. It is quite big bolt. And there is this my bolt, and I install this my wrench in here, and then I open that. This opens easily, and then I need to only rotate that a couple of turns in that way, and then this nut is easy to rotate with fingers in that way. Okay, and now nut drops, and there is really this nut, and it is specific nut. Look, it is like there is this connection point in another side, that there is the steel contact, and now this our antenna is free in that way. And let's go to look up area. Okay, and there is this my bolt nut, and now this antenna is free, and I can carefully remove this old cable in here. And note also that there is really this shape is like this kind of shape in our this roof area, and if we need to do similar holes in our car, this is the shape. Okay, and when we install this our new antenna back, it is like reverse this process. Good, and thank you my friend for watching.